Kittyarra back again with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what's inside our fridge, and we'll begin in 3, 2, 1. So this is how our fridge looks like. It's black and it's from the brand LG. So this fridge has 3 doors. The first one is this one. So when you open it, it has this dairy corner. So we have our butter here, pang bake ganyan. And also this side naman, meron pang butter, may cheese, quick melt. Then on this part, meron local chocolates, pang dessert lang din. And on this part, meron kaming Coke and juices, cranberry and apple juice for morning and breakfast. Okay, so moving on with the chiller. This is how it looks like. The upper part of our chiller, this is how it looks like. We have our different juices for the visitors or guests. Ganyan. Kapag bored kami or pag may merienda, we have orange juice, guayabano, may locally, may pineapple, may lychee. On the second layer of our fridge in this chiller is we have more juices. We have Coke, we have apple juice, we have root beer, meron din vodka si mother, and some Gatorade. On this side naman, para sa amin, meron siyang all-purpose cream, we have fresh milk, may Yakult, sobrang daming Yakult. We have yogurt. May kami ni Dada mag-yogurt. Kami lang yung kumakain ng yogurt dito sa bahay. Okay, next. This side naman, Dutch meal. Meron ding Milo, some Chucky, and para kay Ken. On this utility box, we have dried cranberries, pang bake ni mother. We have kid sticks. May kasi sa cheesy Courtney. We have some chocolates for baking. On this part naman, food for baby Ken. We have some fruit, grapes. Merong, what's this? Chicken na galing SNR pa. Hindi ko nakakain. This one naman, we have lots of fresh milk. Meron ding acai berry. Meron din kaming condensed. Nilalagay namin siya sa fridge para mas malamig, mas masarap. So, we have different fresh milk. Tinatry namin yung ibang di pa namin na-try. So, we got this from SNR. We have Arla, Cowhead, and Selecta. This drawer naman, we have the wraps, ganyan. Pang merienda, we have the wrap. They have wheat. Meron din silang spinach. Merong original. It's super soft. Papainit nyo lang siya sa pan. Kahit no need na sa butter or oil. Papainit nyo lang siya sa pan. This is a nice brand. Masarap siya. And on the last drawer, we have different fruits. Yan, orange, pear, apple, and of course, lemon. This is very helpful. The situation natin ngayon, meron tayong pandemic. Before we head on to the freezer, I'd just like to share with you our current situation here in our kitchen. Then my mom's baking. If you want to order, I'll just put the link in the description box down below. I'm just gonna quick share with you the pastries, cakes pastries that she baked. So this is how it looks like with the current situation. So yan, gumawa siya ng ube, crinkles, and also this one is one of her bestseller. It's the cinnamon roll. And this, actually lahat naman masarap yung ginagawa ng mom ko, syempre. And this one's the caramel bar, and also, sorry, and this one is a blueberry cheesecake. Hindi pa siya tapos. Wala pa yung on top. The blueberry. So, this is how it looks like. Look how the packaging looks like. It's very nice. And it's so good. Moving on with the last door of our fridge. This is going to be the freezer. So, this is how it looks like. Meron siya dito sa sides. And, nilagyan namin siya ng ice cream. So, ayan, may ice cream. And, meron din siyang pang-ice. Ayan. On the lower side of the door, so, ito yung mga nakalagay. We have different so, this is how it looks like. We have different paratas kasi may yung mom ko pang breakfast or pang merienda. Nilalagyan niya lang ng sugar or ng salt or kahit na anong dip. So, ayan. Ang dami yung binili. First stop. On the upper part of our freezer, this is how it looks like. So, we have different variants of ice cream. Since kay SNR lang namin yan, tinry namin yung ibang flavor. So, we have different ice cream. We also have, like this one, melona, kasi mahilig kami. And si Courtney, kumain ng ganyan. And this one, we haven't tried this. It's from the brand Nestle. It's Hot Pockets. We haven't tried this brand. So, hopefully, masarap naman siya. So, yeah. We got it from SNR. If you're curious, sa SNR nyo lang siya mag-use. So, we have ice cream, more ice cream, carrot ice cream for Courtney. And let's move on here on the lower part. So, here dito nakalagay yung mga pang breakfast namin. Like this one, nuggets, different hot dogs, longganisa, and sausages. In the first drawer, we have our pang samgyup. Yan, meron pa kaming pepperoni for pizza. Then, meron kaming corn. Pwede lang kasi siya pang buttered corn. So, on the side. So, we have different beefs. Pwedeng pang samgyup. And on the last part, last drawer, is we have fries. We have our... Is this onion rings? It's squid rings. This one's the... tteokbokki. So here in our home, we have 7 different fridge. We have 7 different ref. But, ito lang ipapakita ko sa inyo kasi yung iba puro vines na ganyan. Ulam, vegetables, stock ng fish, meats, ganyan. And yung sa room namin, before we end this video, papakita na namin sa inyo yung laman ng ref namin sa room. Okay guys, so if ever you're curious with our pantry, this is how it looks like. Ito yung sa upper part, we have this cabinet. Diyan nilalagay namin yung pasta, juices, mga stocks ng vitamin C, ng milk, ng coffee. So lahat ng stocks na pupunta dyan. And on this side, when you open our pantry, this is how it looks like. Isang malaking patayo siya. Pero hindi siya super makikita yung laman. Okay, so on that part, doon nilalagay ni mother yung mga lalagyan na walang laman. Mga empty glassware. Empty glassware. Okay, so on this second layer, dito nakalagay yung mga stock for babies, ganyan. And on this part, dito nakalagay yung mga sweets, noodles, gram, coconut sugar, and other juices. And this part naman, so yan, meron kaming different variant stocks ng fresh milk, mga pang dessert, pang salad, pang soup. So yan, meron kaming corn. Dito nakalagay yung mga condensed evap, all-purpose cream cheese. So dito nyo makikita yung mga canned goods namin. Like century, ganyan, sardines, mushroom for pasta, sauce, yan, spam, cheese sauce. So, yan, merong mga chocolate chips. Ayan, this side naman, dito yung mga pang-bake ni mom. May Ziploc, ayan yung ginagamit niyang pang-blueberry. Yan, more chocolate chips, cooking spray, more chocolate for baking. And on the last part, eto, lalagyan din siya stocks ng mga pang-baking, ganyan, may mga gelatin, mga powder, milk, yan, mga chocolate, more chocolate for mom's baked goods, and yeah, that's it. Hey Louie, so this is how our fridge in our room looks like. On top of our fridge, dito na namin nilagay yung humidifier since wala na kaming malagyan, maliit lang yung room namin. And meron din kaming drinks dito if ever gusto namin ni Dadang uminom at night. Our fridge, this is how it looks like. Ang daming drinks. So, on this part, we have the yogurt drink for Courtney. Mahilig kasi siyang uminom ng mga ganito. Then we have wine, soju, and coffee for Dada. So, dito naman, meron pa kaming, actually, lahat naman to drinks. Meron kaming Gatorade, meron kaming grape juice, milk, if ever magustuhan namin mag-cereals, aloe, skincare, some skincare, dito ko nilalagay sa fridge kasi mas gusto ko if malamig yung skincare ko. So, on this part, ito meron kaming mini freezer, pero hindi namin siya nagagamit. So, dito naman yung skincare ko, like this one yung pang massage, mask, and of course our eye drops. Mahilig kasi kami mag-eye drops ni Nico. And also this one for my skincare and some chocolate. Here naman we have yogurt, then meron din kaming yogurt drink for Dada and Courtney. Mahilig talaga kami mag-drink sa mga drinks. So this one, fresh milk, Dutch meal, and the Coke. So that's it in today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Sana marami kayong nakuha ideas kung saan namin nabili ito, kung anong hilig namin as a family. This has been Kittyarra. Thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you on my